Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers, how you all doing? So, what we want to talk about today is the assassination of Haiti's president. So, yesterday, the people of Haiti was awoken to the sad news that their president had been assassinated, and actually, his wife as well was actually injured during the incident. A few hours later, it was also revealed that the wife had succumbed to injuries she received in the pre-morning attack that took place about 1:30 a.m., in which armed commando gang, some speak in Spanish, attacked the president private residence, and they actually shot him to death. Now, with the situation said, it's a sad day for Haiti and a very unfortunate situation for that country, which has seen so much violence over the past many years, and they have seen so much things saying, So it's one of those. It was one of those sad situations that they think about, and one of those things that they did. But it's a very tragic and unfortunate thing that transpired, and with the violence that Haiti had been prone to over the many years, and to see this actually happen to their leader, a number of people from across the world right now have expressed shock and sadness about this tragic situation, and a number of countries as well have expressed condolences to the family and friends of Mr. Moise as well. So Mr. Moise had been serving Haiti's country for, I think it was about a number of years now, about over a 3-year period, and he was actually tried to be assassinated once already. And it's one of those times in which some armed men attacked him, and he was actually protected by his security convoy. So this is not the first time that the president was attacked. He was actually attacked before this, but this time they came good and they executed the task at hand. But it hasn't been smooth sailing for the president since he have been in office, as many people wanted him out, and they would have tried every means possible to have get him out of power. However, he remained in power for an extended period of time. His tenure would have been up in February of this year, and the country was just awaiting in for the swearing in of another prime minister when this unfortunate situation occurred. So what has happened since yesterday is that the local government is also reporting that they believe that they have taken out 4 of the alleged attackers that carried out the act after they kidnapped some police officers, and the police officers went on a raid of somewhere, and they actually caught up with these individuals, and they tried to accost them, and a shootout ensued, and those individuals were actually taken out in that incident as well. So that's the latest coming out of Haiti. So they believe that they have taken out 4 of the alleged suspects in the incident. A video of the actual incident as well, of the attack on the president's residence, is actually being circulated on social media, which you see a number of armed rebels trying to gain entry to a premises. I have seen the aftermath of a vehicle being shot up as well at the compound, and also a number of spent shell outside the residence of the president as well. So it's one of those situations that we really need to reflect in, and it's been a while that nothing such as this has happened, where a president has actually been taken out. But it's a sad day for Haiti, and I just wish Haiti all the best with their struggles that they're going through. And with any situation, I just hope that the country will pull through this one, because this is going to be a difficult one for them. And I hope that everything will go back to normal in the shortest possible time. Alright, this is where I'm going to leave you for now. Links to Below 7 TV. Always keeping up to date. Peace out and bless as always.